What's your association with Nakshatra? How
Camera
has it
center.
been for such a long
Look
time
center.
you've been along with Nakshatra? How is it like? Your
Well,
experience?
it's my privilege that the company has retained and kept me as a brand ambassador for
Madam Center.
all this time, and it's been a wonderful experience so far. Like I said earlier, right now at the unveiling, that the design is traditional, and yet in their communication, they've always reiterated that it is for the modern woman. And I agree with it because I do consider myself contemporary, very much a woman of today, but at the same time culturally very rooted. And that's what I appreciate the most about this design.
Talking something about diamond, what is
Madam,
diamond
look
mean to
center.
you?
I think it's a fact that we're conditioned from the time that we're kids, and you always heard the statement "diamonds are a girl's best friend." But I think more than anything else, it's the fact that it's that wonderful adornment. I think dressing up, adornment, embellishing, is part of being a woman, and is definitely a part of being an Indian woman in our marriages, in our weddings, in our festivities. In our basic pujas, there's always a lot of our goddesses being, dressed up and bejeweled, and likewise the Indian woman. So in that sense, diamonds are the perfect sparkly, and they're extremely precious, and we do value it. So thereby, it does evoke a lot of appreciation and immense respect.
This was for diamond, but Nakshatra diamond.
आज जो कलेक्शन लॉन्च हुआ है उसके बारे में बताएं, वो कैसे लगा आपको, क्या है?
So, about today's collection, it's innovative, it's new because they have gone beyond, they've retained the floral and the cluster, and at the same time they've given us a wonderful new range, which I think is very well timed, especially keeping in mind our fantastic festivals, festivities, and a huge wedding season coming up. So in that sense, I think it offers the consumer a wonderful variety.
Actually, we have read somewhere, I don't know, I may be wrong, but I have read that you personally are not too fond of jewelry. Is it true?
No. I really appreciate jewelry, and I do love diamonds. But I truly am in favor of subtlety. If just because you have jewelry or you love jewelry, you don't have to wear them all at the same time. So in that sense, it's rare that I probably wear, I like to wear it tastefully and not overdo it, but I do definitely appreciate it, and I'm as much of a woman as you are.
The diamond, like many people wear diamonds because of the luck factor also. Like people previously they used to believe.
I think that's a very Indian concept where, which is again, I think anything Indian I find fascinating and I love, and I'm sure it's a very Indian thing to consult a gemologist on stones that suits them. But most often, I think when you've looked around, diamonds seem to be universally fine with almost every Indian woman. I have rarely heard of any kind of questioning or doubt in the area of possessing, wearing, or appreciating diamonds for that matter.
लास्ट एक बच्चन साहब को बर्थडे आ रहा है, हमको विश दे दें आप. बच्चन साहब को बर्थडे 11th को.
Oh, I thought for a second I said mine. I said, yeah, mine is coming up on the 1st of November. Why would I wish myself?
बच्चन साहब को बर्थडे 11th.
I'd like to wish you, I'd like to wish Mr. Bachchan a very, very, very special and a happy birthday, and God bless many, many, many more to come. You're precious.
एक्चुअली उमराव जान की जब अगर बात करें, उसमें ज्वेलरी काफ़ी पहनी होगी आपने, उसमें तो शायद पर्सनली आप लोगों ने कुछ सिलेक्ट किए हैं पीसेस.
In keeping with the era, in keeping with the costume, in keeping with the character and the film. That's something that's very, very important to me in every film. I mean, if a character needs jewelry, then you go with it, and if a character does not need jewelry, then you'll see me in a lot of movies, for that matter even in photographs where I do not have any, if it's not in keeping with the entire look.
Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.